Let's explore different ways to represent propionic acid, an important organic compound. We'll look at its molecular, structural, and skeletal formulas. Let's start with the molecular formula. This shows us that propionic acid contains 3 carbons, 6 hydrogens, and 2 oxygens. The formula is C₃H₆O₂. Next, let's look at the structural formula, which shows how these atoms are actually connected. We have a chain of 3 carbons, with the first carbon having 3 hydrogens, the second carbon having 2 hydrogens, and the third carbon being part of a carboxyl group, COH. Finally, let's look at the skeletal formula, which is the most simplified version. Here, we don't show the carbon atoms or most hydrogens explicitly. Each line represents a bond between carbons, and we only show the carboxyl group, OH, explicitly. Each of these representations tells us something different about propionic acid. The molecular formula tells us its composition, the structural formula shows us how atoms are bonded, and the skeletal formula gives us a quick way to draw and recognize the molecule.